when we talk about transforming or renovating beautiful living spaces, we often think of accent walls, wall arts, decor pieces, furniture, what not. But mostly the flooring comes last. That doesn't have to be the case. In fact, you can always look at something interesting. And you know what? For that purpose, these really caught my eyes. These carpets. Oh, I mean carpet tiles, right? And I mean, when we look at carpet tiles, I just thought, this is such a beautiful tile creation. Why not talk about it today? So let's quickly look at these beautiful tiles today and learn about them. Discover the most luxurious collection of premium handmade and imported tiles right from the comfort of your home. Shop online at mytiles.com. Statement flooring is such an underrated way to deck up any flooring, right? And these kind of beautiful tiles like carpet tiles can really be used to adorn your living spaces, your lounge areas, so many applications from that point. Hi, my name is Mayuri Nagar and I'm reporting to you from MyTiles headquarters and display center in Bangalore. And today we will dive into each aspect of carpet tiles so that you can make an informed decision. So now we have spoken enough about carpet tiles, how beautiful they are. Let's try and understand the details about them. So starting from the first thing which we all look for is what sizes are they available in. So typically when you look at carpet tiles, they are available in vitrified and ceramic finishes. But from a size perspective, they start from 1 by 1 feet, going to 2 by 2 feet and even 2 by 4 feet slabs like these over here. So these are gorgeous carpet tile which is having a beautiful embossed effect on it. And I mean, just imagine if you are actually laying down on the floor, it will not, nobody will be able to tell apart whether it's a tile or a carpet, right? So this is the gorgeousness of these tiles. Let's now look at some options over there. So now let's look at some styles within the carpet tiles. So basic two styles that exist in the carpet tiles. One is the standalone tile. Standalone tiles is where a single tile can be used to create an interlocking pattern and basically create an interlocking carpet type of a look, right? The other part which we are looking at, or the other style that we are looking at, is the modular carpet tiles. These typically are coming in like box sets, and they have a corner tile, they have a body tile, they have a border tile as well. So let's look at those because those are the ones that are really a signature style of carpet tiles. So now let's understand the anatomy of the carpet tile, the modular ones, the box sets, right? So the one tile that you're looking at in my hand is called the corner tile because it goes and sits in the corner of the entire pattern, the carpet pattern. And this one that you're looking at is called the border tile, clearly because it forms the border of the pattern. So we saw the corner tile, the border tile, and after these have been put in place, you have the body tile, the main body of the carpet. So what happens is that these three elements come together to give you a pattern. Now you must be thinking, if I have the corner tile over here, and this is the size I see, is it all that I can do in terms of sizing? No. So all you can do over here is when you come to My Tiles or you're even searching these tiles online, always reach out to their customer executives, sales executive team in the display center, and they will help you with the exact size and how many tiles you'll need. So you definitely will need corner tiles, but the length of your carpet or even the width of your carpet can be increased basis different, meaning adding more number of border tiles. So I can actually make this carpet longer by adding more border tiles on this side and that side, and I can keep the width same, or I can even increase the width the same way and make it a much larger carpet. My four corners are definitely going to be there, and all my changes will happen in the body, number of body tiles and number of border tiles. You can make them smaller, bigger, all of that customization can easily happen, and you can lay them in your flooring very, very beautifully. Let's look at some beautiful options in carpet tiles. As you look at the beauty of these carpet tiles, you'll see the elements remain same, but their designs are really different. This is a typical Moroccan pattern over here, followed by some very nice ethnic borders. So gorgeous, really pretty options, floral options, again some Moroccan and some very nice abstract floral options over here as well. Little bit more minimalistic compared to this. This is a very intricate design. Some very beautiful colors like mustard going against say greens and teals with yellow whites. Then over here, very classic kind of carpet design, a little bit minimal, slightly geometric in some spaces. This is on the lines of more fleur de lis pattern, and then you have some Moroccan patterns as well. We have seen couple of color variations in this just now, so that's something which is very interesting. This is a very beautiful black and white and slight tones of grey pattern. These even can be used in your any like literally dining spaces. They look great because then even if the food drops, right, unlike for a carpet you'll have to actually vacuum it and send it for dry cleaning, there is no such hassle. You can just simply sweep and mop and you're done with it, right? So those kind of ease of that really makes these carpet tiles popular. This one is more on the rustic side. It has some very nice rustic details. Great for balcony, by the way. You can actually do your patio with this beautiful rustic tile. Let's look at the next one. Now these are something where if you are a connoisseur or you love some very detailed patterns, these are some gorgeous carpet tiles. We will talk about each of these designs in just a bit, so I'm holding that off right now, but just wanted to show you some really amazingly colorful and beautiful patterns. And this of course is my personal favorite. I think it's one of those really nice minimal but doing a lot for that space kind of a carpet tile. It's also a larger size displayed over here in terms of put together. Like I said, size really doesn't matter in this case because you can literally customize it to your preference and liking. This is a beautiful black and white minimal geometric pattern that really brings that boldness and that classy premiumness to your space. This is again a very nice pattern. I absolutely love it. This is more on the earthy tones, probably an outdoor space. Very beautiful. Even this can be used in outdoor spaces, but I would probably put it in a living space because it has those slight sheen. So when the light really falls on it, especially your indoor lighting, it will really bring out those tints and colors. This is again a very those embroidery pattern kind of carpet tile. Again, that beauty of intricate detailed pattern that's coming through. Again, you have over here a beautiful pattern. This is the last from this collection that we're showing you. I'm sure there are plethora of options online and all of these are pretty much customizable, right? So you can come and talk to the folks at My Tiles and get what you really want. Let's look at some other options over here within the carpet tile box set patterns. Let's look at that as well. So this is another box set that I wanted to show you, slightly more minimal because it has a solid tile inside that basically can be used as a repetitive pattern to create something similar to even the Atangudi tiles that we have seen. These are Atangudi inspired, the central bit. And then you have the corner tiles and the border tiles. Again, you can use these, you can increase these and make a larger pattern or a smaller one like this. This is the smallest pattern that you can create because the one that is inside is roughly 2 by 2. So you have to have those body tiles 2 by 2 that you can actually increase, and then you can create those in the designs of your or the sizes of your choice. So there are a couple of more variations. We'll show you them as well right now. Some statement designs are designed to be used sparingly in your spaces. They are sold by the set where each piece contains a different part of the design. When laid out, they form a large rug style design. Look at these beautiful, gorgeous carpet tiles that have bold colors and perfect fit for your puja room. They have some very nice details which make them ethnically more inclined. So I am sitting over here on a beautiful box set tile setup that we've done for you. So this is the one that I was talking about, is your base body tile basically. These are your border tiles, and this one over here is your corner tile, right? So I'm going to go and plug it back in over here. How gorgeous are these? Apart from tiles, design holds a very vital space when it comes to carpet tiles. And that's why we will talk to you about these different designs, what they really stand for, and how they are really important. So the first one today we are talking about is the modern carpet tile design. It's almost very simplistic if you look at them, but they really do have their own specific charm, right? Not a typical carpet, and that's the reason that they're called as modern, because they have a lot of geometrical, very subtle and calming color tones, right? So over here when you look at these, they have like geometrical patterns, like you have some say squares, some triangles, some rhombus, etc. Right? Now these patterns itself are called as the tastir tiles. They have a slight subtle glaze, right? Almost an off-white glaze that makes them really premium looking, but also at the same time give that very luxurious charm to that space. Where can they be applied, you ask? They can literally be applied in any space, whether it is indoor or outdoor. Indoor spaces, if you're looking at, is living spaces, dining spaces, lounge areas, you name it and you can use it there. Now the tastir tiles, if you look it over here, they are 2x2. Okay, these are the 2x2 size tiles. They typically start from 250 rupees, 290 rupees and upwards, because they are quite coveted or very popular for this reason. Now one thing which is very interesting about them is that they can also be used along with other tiles, and that's the flexibility they offer. So for example, if you look at this concept has been paired with two similar looking but different tiles. So for example, when we look at this concept, right, it's a beautiful concept because here the tastir tiles have been paired with two different tiles, and that's the flexibility they offer. For example, if we look at this tile over here, now this is a slightly beige but with marble effect, a marble tile 2x4, and then you have 2x2s paired along. You can of course use this concept, and then you have another concept over here. Now this is more on the grey tone, grey on white, supreme white, instead of the off-white we just saw, and this can again be paired along with this because there are hints and tones of grey on the tastir tile as well. So what we're really trying to tell you is that it can be paired with anything that you fancy, as long as you like it and it goes with the theme of the space. You're free to do whatever. That's really why these modern carpet tiles are popular, because they offer that extreme flexibility. So now when we're learning about designs, which is the next part of it, right, we have to understand in the modular category there is a black and white design, geometric design, that is extremely popular within the carpet tiles category. So here you're looking at a bold and beautiful carpet tile, black and white, classic designs, right? And then they have a lot of these triangles and stripes that make them really shine through. The British Indian checkered pattern that you see, which these motifs create, is making a spectacular comeback right now, and that's the reason why they are superbly popular. They give that vintage effect, and they also provide that absolute premium luxury feeling under your feet, right? So let's look at now these sizes, right? So the sizes for these are typically 1x1. You also get them in 2x2s. Here we are looking at 1x1s over here. Again, a typical box set has corner tiles, has border tiles and body tiles. Now if you are not a fan of border tiles, you can actually create a standalone set as well, or make a standalone kind of a carpet as you wish, but these are primarily preferred in the carpet tile, the box set style. That's where they really shine through. So that's something that I wanted to talk to you about. Let's now look at the other tiles. I'm sure I have praised these tiles enough, and you're almost now at the edge of your seat to know where these tiles can be applied, right? So primarily these tiles have an application outdoor or semi-outdoor, which means entryways, lounges, corridors, right? All those kind of applications you can think of. And most important part, pricing. they normally start with 100 rupees per square feet and can go upwards depending upon the style, make, and all the details that they may carry. Let's now look at some other designs. So now when we are looking at carpet designs, one of the most popular ones is the Moroccan carpet tile design. And when you talk about Moroccan tiles as such, they have a huge variety. But more than that, they have a huge following for these interlocking patterns that they create, especially the body tile. Just grab 4 of them in this case, and then you have your border tile and your corner tile, and you have a beautiful carpet design ready. Right now, when it comes to Moroccan tiles, what really is there to flaunt about Moroccan tiles is they come in plethora of options when it comes to colors, and even going from a very, very, say, abstract to something more ethnic, like we can see over here. Now, typically the sizes are starting from 1 by 1. They can be 2 by 2, and they can even be 2 by 4. In 2 by 4, you can actually even get standalone designs, which you just have to create, with 4 or 5 tiles, and you will actually have a full carpet design ready. In these cases, of course, they are more like box sets, so you definitely need a corner tile and a border tile. Now, when we are looking at these, of course, these are very, very, hardcore Moroccan tiles. If you're looking for a very intricate look, means smaller designs, almost like an embroidery, there is something called as the Baroque design, which has Islamic roots in terms of design. So when we look at the Baroque designs, they have a almost embroidery-like look, very, very detailed design, and in fact, in many of these styles, you'll actually see a lot of texture. Now over here, your L-shaped border can be made using these border and corner tiles. And what really happens is you have different patterns, colors, so many options, giving you that very, very detailed rug-like look, carpet-like look under your feet. So if you like something more detailed, go for Baroque designs. If you like something more slightly abstract or very Moroccan inspired, you can definitely go for the Moroccan tiles. Now, I know that you're wanting to know about pricing. Well, so if you look at the pricing of Moroccan tiles, they typically start from 140 rupees per square feet, going upwards depending upon the make, the design, all of the other elements that we always talk about. And when you look at these intricate patterns, they will be ranging from 150 rupees per square feet and then moving upwards, again depending upon the design, etc., the effects that might be there on top of it. But I mean, all in all, if you look at these carpet tiles, they are very much affordable, and the look that they impart to your space is extremely premium, very detailed, and also very low maintenance, versus an actual carpet. So that's something that you can definitely keep in mind. So next is the Rangoli Galicha design. It's a very beautiful, decorative tile that you will see over here, and it has floral motifs that has gold detailing. So if you see this over here, you will see that it's a glossy tile which has a lot of gold details, very nice floral motifs, and just a very, very luxurious premium look. They're perfect for Indian homes because they can actually bring that ethnic charm into, say, your puja rooms, or even for that matter in your living room if the aesthetics support that. Definitely all these tiles that you see over here, which are to put together to create this design, come in box sets. Each tile is 2 by 2 feet, and you cannot juxtaposition or increase their length, etc., because they actually have to be put together to form this unique pattern in a particular way. The image is shared and you have to copy this imagery and make the same thing when you're installing them. Now, the entire box set comes to around 16,000 rupees for the entire box set. This is about, I think, 6 tiles together, where you have corner, border, and the primary body motif, etc. If you look at the smaller ones that we see over here, these are about 2,500, 2,800 rupees per square feet, I think, or per piece, sorry. So the entire piece costs you 2,800 rupees, and you can buy them, use them. You can make beautiful puja mudas, puja chowkis using this. You can also use this within your puja room as well. Some very gorgeous styles for some very gorgeous Indian homes. So while we have learned everything about carpet tiles today, I'm sure you have those questions that you might be thinking, oh, how is this going to happen? How is that going to happen? So let's take one of the most popular questions that comes to my tiles all the time regarding carpet tiles is, are carpet tiles difficult or easy to install? So the answer to that question is carpet tiles are as easy as any normal tile that gets installed, as long as you follow the instructions to the T. Installation process for any tile is an important one. We've done multiple videos around that, so please feel free to go and check out. In fact, recently we have done a tiles accessories video that has a lot of information around installation, so definitely do go and check it out. We'll link it in the description below. But yes, to your question, it's really easy to install carpet tiles just like any other tile out there. So your next question, as always for these tiles also, is similar, is the maintenance of carpet tiles really difficult, or what's the real modus operandi, right? So the first thing is absolutely not. They are as easy to maintain as your normal floor tiles. Just ensure that you follow the procedure in terms of say doing a dry dust or a brooming. And then, for example, if you want to do a deep clean, you can do it with mild cleaners and that do not contain any acid or any kind of abrasive chemicals in them. You can do mopping as well, of course, for flooring in India. Definitely we mop a lot of our floors, so that's something that you can continue to do. Just remember that My Tiles always keeps premium grade tiles, so the quality is top notch. You just need to trust the process that's been given, follow it to the T, and you are good to go. So you all wanted to know what are the most popular colors in carpet tiles. So let's talk about colors like black and white, grey, indigo, maroon. These are the ones that get asked for most of the time, and maroon is one of the most wanted colors in the carpet tile category. If you are looking for something extremely luxurious, you can definitely go for maroon in the Rangoli tile, in the Rangoli carpet tile. They're absolutely luxurious. They have hints of, gold, etc. as well, and they have maroon. So those are definitely something that you can go for. So your last question was, can I buy box set tiles separately? The answer is yes. However, it has limitations based on the design and the style of the product. That might be a little limited. For example, if I could give you an example, for example, accent tiles only come in box sets. They cannot be loosely bought separately. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. From neutral to dual tones, from minimal to extra looks, compromises don't belong here. If you liked our edit on statement flooring today, definitely hit the subscribe button, turn on those notifications so that you know when our next episode is on air. Until then, ciao!